Looking here at the Neato D10, here is the cleaner. They give you a pack of extra filters in there as well. This just goes down and snaps into place here, really easy. Just put that on like that, slide it in. Let me show you the back of it here as well. Here's the back of it. You get to see it has nice, real rubberized wheels. Coming up to here, look at the blade of this here. The blade has the rubber area, and it has your bristles here. I'll try to get a good shot of the bristles. You can see them. As nice as any other sweeper I own. It has a little catch guard here, so it makes sure it catches everything. Has a little edge motorized sweeper that gets the edges. Here's the other side of it. It does not have the edge thing on this side, but most don't. They're really efficient.
While I figure out my surroundings.
I have this out of its surroundings. The app works really good. There's a big update for it. I'll show you all that as well. It maps out the area, which is cool. All the lights up here change different colors. I'm very impressed with this and absolutely think this is a great cleaning device. I've used it at home as well as here on shorter area rugs. It works well on like your medium rugs as well, your your fine knit rugs, all those things it worked great on for me. Hardwood floors, it does a great job as well. Yeah, I'm just very pleased with the device. I think it, I had to snap that in there. I think it does a great job. Easy to connect to the Wi-Fi. The app was very simple to use. And when it's running too, it really blows out a lot of air out through the back here. So I just wanted to kind of explain this to you, let you see it here. So I kind of stopped it in mid-cleaning, so it's you can try to figure itself out. So I will power it back on here. Let's just see what it does for fun. You see the different colors there that happens. So I'm very pleased with this device. I think it works great. I think the company really put a lot of work in designing the app, linking it to your phone, letting all those things work. Really awesome. So I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to describe it for you and let you see it here firsthand.